the situation where the army stepped in to help with the security there. And first of all, with my wife and daughters, we went to the Olympics, and we felt comfortable seeing the soldiers around us. It just gave us that reassurance that they had their eyes open and were looking out for things that we didn't have to have that greater sense of unease we'd otherwise have. But at the moment, they want to deploy some soldiers to help so the police can get on and investigate and track these guys down. And if the soldiers aren't brought out, there physically aren't enough police to investigate in the way that they'll be able to if the soldiers come out. Because what's the alternative? Do we, God forbid, find ourselves in that situation and have no one around us to protect us, or have a policeman there who's perhaps just got a taser but hasn't got a weapon? Surely in that highly unlikely event, God forbid, where we find ourselves in that situation, we want to see somebody there who can take some action and protect us.
Attention.
Just stay with us.
By the nearest available exit.
We've had an evacuation, I'm afraid, at this point in time. So thank you very much indeed for your call, Chris. We're going to have to leave right now. Our apologies to our listeners. The building's being evacuated. We'll be back as soon as possible and let you know what's happening. Thank you.
You're listening to BBC Radio 5 Live. We're sorry we can't bring you the scheduled programme at the moment. We'll return to it as soon as we can.
Digital radio, digital TV, downloads and online.
This is BBC Radio 5 Live.
Across the UK.
This is BBC Radio 5 Live. You're listening to BBC Radio 5 Live. We're sorry we can't bring you the scheduled programme at the moment. We'll return to it as soon as we can.